Let's see.
How to cook the perfect venison backstrap.
Let's go. Okay. Very good. Those coals are looking absolutely phenomenal. Okay, we're using the meter probe today just to make sure we absolutely nail this cook. There we go. Yeah, nice high heat there.
Put your heat there, alright. Get your backstrap, plenty amount of oil in there. Slap her on. Simple as that.
How good. Hear that sizzle. We're keeping it super simple here. Just a bit of salt and pepper. We're using the meter app today. Target temp 57. You can input whatever you want. That's for a medium rare backstrap. Internal temp is currently 7.8. And as soon as that hits about 53, 54 degrees, it's going to buzz us. We're going to take it off and let it rest. And bring it up to that 57. That easy. Have a flip. Ooh, yeah, that looks good. Oh, yum. Let's see if you can nail this cook. No pressure. This will be the last little flip for the last minute onto the high side, just to finish it off. We love cooking on coals. In all our videos, this is going to feature heavily. But this could literally be any pan on any stove, barbecue, you name it. Okay, let's let that rest for another couple of minutes and then see if he's nailed it. Yeah, she hot. Look at that. Oh, baby. Oh, look how good that looks. Okay, let's go. How is it?
Unreal.
Mm.
Unreal.